there. Okay, everything is fine. I show you these are the environment variables: MySQL root password 1, and the database name, and then user password, and the port 3306, and D my latest. It's first latest email. It's pull the latest email, and the run and the name. I mentioned the name as MySQL container. Hit enter. So let's ask allow. That's fine. Allow. It's pulling the latest image. That's fine. Check it. Docker ps successfully running the container. Let's check enters into docker exec/it, and then MySQL container container, and the bash. What's happening? Something is wrong. It's a flag ID. Okay, that's my bad. Forward exec rc. So MySQL and the root user, and the root user the password. Set up the password. It's successfully entered into the MySQL. Let's check show data basis. Sorry. Okay, that's fine. I created the test database also. Let's clear it and exit. And exit again. Check it once again. Docker ps still running. We set up this in VS Code. Isolation Studio. Okay, it's closed it. Yes. Add new connection and the MySQL. The connection name mentioned as your requirement, like I mentioned SQL. This is not required. Servers and ports. This is the localhost 0036. Database name testing, and the username user. Set up the ask on connection and the default, and the test connection. Ask the password WORD. Successfully connected means successfully connected, and then save connection and check. Ask the password again. Okay, session is allocated, and then there is a test data beta. Okay, that's fine. Select star